Hey guys, this video is about repainting this particular picture to add more illusions of detail, make it more realistic as well as make it more vibrant, and that was the main reason I repainted this painting. Previously, this painting was painted as alla prima 3 years ago, and it had less amount of detail. I thought, why not use this opportunity to make it appear more realistic and beautiful? So, enjoy. Now you can see what the previous painting was. It was done very loosely, but effort was made to make it appear realistic. But here I am really pushing it forward with all sorts of detail and mostly about the colors. And here I enhance the light, and you can see there are violet tones on the back of the tree trunk. My objective here is to push it forward as much as I can, and it appears that it's quite light, and the lack of color was the only thing that bothered me in this painting. But eventually I thought, why not add more detail, atmospheric effect, and really push the contrast a little and make it appear a bit more towards classism a little, and while keeping the realism intact. Here I'm really thinking very hard on where to put which color, because I'm also aware of the color temperature, but while keeping the color temperature intact, I'm also looking at increasing the chroma and saturation, and also increasing introducing other colors that were not there in the previous one. Here I'm really thinking about what should be the color, what should be the reflected light, and this green tone that you see is actually was reflected from the tree leaves onto this shiny surface of the eucalyptus. And there are other areas, for instance this gate, where I really pushed it forward and did more details. So this is a sped up video, and I think it is quite self-explanatory if you see how to increase the color range, and which source. The main element is what is the source of light. It's mostly actually backlit, and this is how the painting was refinished in this manner. So enjoy watching this little tutorial. Stay tuned for more.